What's up, everyone? It's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and I'm here with Michael Marcella. We actually today, for the first time in the year that I've owned this 94 Yamaha YZ250, started it. We actually just got through putting in fresh fluids, coolant, oil, fresh gas, and so forth. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and let you listen to it fire up here. Again, if somebody plans on using this, they're definitely going to want to tune the carburetor and so forth. We didn't really drive it much other than just around the parking lot. So anyway, go ahead, Mike, and give it a rip.
The little guy. Let me see if I can get it.